Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of October. I know this is like super late and it's the 22nd of October right now, and like Boxycharm came probably 2 weeks ago for me, but I just finished my show at school. It closed 2 days ago. I struck the set yesterday and it's been really just an emotional roller coaster, and I got sick, so it's been a month. I'm also writing 10 pages for a midterm currently. I just took a break to film this video. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get into it. Alright, so if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 beauty subscription service. It is a monthly box that comes with 4 to 5 full-size products. Recently the boxes have been getting really good with like really high-end brands in the box, and now every third month if you upgrade, you can get what's called Boxy Luxe, and it is basically $50 instead of your typical $21, but you get 10 to 11 full-size products. I got one, the first one ever, in September, and honestly it just blew me away. It was so great, and it was so worth the money. So we're just gonna unbox this now. Okay, so I did look at this box previous to filming this, obviously. I got this box last week or 2 weeks ago, and I didn't get a chance, so I already know what's in the box, but I'm just gonna pull them out for you guys. So the first thing is this. This is the card that tells us what's in the box, and this month the theme is alter ego, which I think is really cool since it's Halloween this month and you want something that's like kind of different and interesting. So the first product in here is from Kat Von D. This is the Kat Von D. I got the liquid lipstick in the shade Hawkwind. There was a few variations of what kind of shades you're going to get. They even put Lolita in the box, but I have this really pretty like deep-ish, reddish brown, which is honestly right up my alley. Now, I know there is some controversy surrounding Kat Von D right now because she is an anti-vaxxer and she refuses to vaccinate her children, and a lot of people are upset about that. I am as well. I don't buy from them, so this is the only thing I will be getting from them because I think it's important to vaccinate your children, because as a history major, you see how diseases just eradicate people, and I think it's just so important. If it's one shot, just get your kid vaccinated, because now measles and mumps are coming back and they were completely gone. So that's my 2 cents on that. But this retails for $20, and I have heard that this like liquid lipstick, like her liquid lipstick specifically, is like one of the best formulas out there. So I'm so excited to try this. It looks like a huge tube, and like I'll never ever go through this. So I will update you guys in my product review within the next 2 weeks. Okay, the next product in the box is this. This is a Dermovia? I can't pronounce anything. Dermovia. I'm going to call it Dermovia. This is the Lace Appeal with compression technology, black bamboo charcoal peel-off mask with lace support. Now, I know you've definitely seen these pictures of everyone with their face lace, I'm going to call it, everywhere. I actually got Claudia to say he would do this mask with me, so I might post pictures on my Instagram of us with this mask. But this retails for $30. There are 2 lace masks in here with a 20 milliliter tube. So what I've been hearing is that you can get way more uses out of the tube than just the 2 masks, but they only give you 2 masks to pull it off with. So I guess if you wanted to use it without the mask, that's a possibility as well. This says that the detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. Naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips into the skin, helping to further draw out impurities, which I have heard this does, so I'm excited about that. Okay, the next product in the box I'm actually super excited for. This is from the brand Pharmacy, and I've gotten a mask in the box from Pharmacy before, and I absolutely love that mask. And honestly, Pharmacy is one of those brands that just intrigue me. I have now the Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and this says made exclusively for Boxycharm, so I think it's this size that is exclusive for Boxycharm, and this is $22. I kind of want to smell this. Oh, it's like full solid. I don't know why I smelled this when I just can't smell anything, but it looks green. It's a green clean, so why would it not be green? This is basically a cleansing balm. Like, you know, at the end of the day, take off your makeup, you use this instead of like a makeup wipe, and it will just take off your makeup. This is a cult favorite makeup cleansing balm, melts away even the boldest makeup looks, and powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wearing makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. That is what I'm so excited about with this one. I did use the Clinique balm my friend got me last year for Christmas, and I liked it, but when I like rinsed it off, I felt greasy. I felt disgusting. Like, I felt like I had to wash my face a second time, and I hope with this I don't have to do that. I don't know. we'll see. I really want to be able to smell this. I wish I could smell. I wish I could smell. Okay, next in the box is another like super high-end brand. This is It Cosmetics and it's their Superhero Mascara. I love getting mascaras in the box. I don't know what it is about mascaras, but they just, oh, this is such a cool tube. I don't know if you can see, but it looks like this, but then you, whoa, it's like this way, but then that way. I don't know how to explain it. This tube is really cool. This is $24 and it says, wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint makes the thickest and most boldest lashes ever. This bottle is really, it feels so high end and so luxe. I don't want to open it. I just opened my Tarte Gifted mascara and I love it so much, and I hate opening so many mascaras, not finishing them. I've only been using my CoverGirl one, but I'm really excited to try this. I've always wanted to try an It Cosmetics mascara, but again, I find it hard to justify prices for mascaras if I don't know if they're good or not. Like, I will always spend $25 on my Lancome Monsieur Big, but I refuse to spend money on like certain other mascaras I know are bad. So I don't know, $24 for mascara is actually a pretty like decent price point for a higher end mascara, but there are mascaras at the drugstore for $10 that work just as well. So I guess we'll see if this one works just as well as those. Alright, and the last product in the box is actually another, I don't know if this is. I think this is another collab with Pure Cosmetics. This is their Midnight Masquerade face palette. And we get a lot of stuff from Pure Cosmetics in our boxes. Oh, let me tell you what this retails for. $38. We get a lot of stuff from Pure Cosmetics in our boxes, and I honestly haven't been blown away. There was that Boxycharm exclusive palette with them, which I thought was actually not good at all. I just personally don't like the formula of Pure Cosmetics eyeshadows. So I wonder if this will change my mind. It has a little mirror here, but this is what it looks like. I bet you guys have all seen. There's a bunch of jewel tones here. There's one matte, which is a dark chocolate brown. And then we have 4 face things here. We have a bronzer, a highlight, and 2 blushes. And all of them are shimmery except for this blush here. So I guess we'll see about that. I'm going to swatch this silver shade because I have a silver for, wow. Okay, that feels really soft, but I have a silver from ColourPop that works really well. Let's see what this looks like on the hand. So that is one swipe, and that's actually really pretty pigmented. I'm surprised because in the other Boxycharm palette we got, I did not like their shimmers whatsoever. Let me try 12 AM, which has been catching my eye. These feel so incredibly soft. Oh, this one kind of got everywhere, but that's one swipe of that black and one swipe of that gray. And this black is kind of cool because it has like reflex of purple in it. So that's pretty cool. I'm actually pretty excited for this. I have heard positive reviews on this, which makes me excited because I want to like Pure Cosmetics because I see so much stuff and they seem like a really nice brand. I just haven't found something that fits with me yet. So I hope that I like this, and I'll update you guys in a review video probably in the next 2 weeks. Okay guys, that completes this video. Let me total up everything in my box. Wait a minute. Okay, so the total for this month box is $134, which is amazing because you're only paying $21 a month for Boxycharm. I'm getting a lot of light, I'm sorry. So yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll hopefully be feeling better, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.